you move around the country a lot, and actually you move around the world a lot, looking to see what different people are doing. Do you ever like find a startup and think, wow, we could use something like that? And is there any way to make that happen, where you develop a partnership with a young startup with the government, or is that pie in the sky?
No, it's not pie in the sky at all. So I recently was in Israel, actually, and there are a lot of people I run into who use Waze, which helps people figure out the best route to get from one place to another. Well, the seed of that technology actually was developed in Israel. And so it's really interesting to see the application of that in the United States. I actually met a young company that has actually reinvented the wheel. Believe it or not, we talk about how you can't reinvent the wheel, but they actually have literally reinvented the wheel. And they believe they're going to create a wheel that enables cars to move much more efficiently and actually have more of the engine actually attached to the wheel as opposed to using an axle.
Now, was that abroad?
It's abroad in Israel.
In Israel, okay.
Yeah.